Okay, that was just my daughter coming in. So again, this is a plan with me for February in my Classic Happy Planner. This kit is a 2-page printable, and you have just some headers over here, or some you know, you can put them in your dates: vacation, sick day, birthday, anniversary, lazy day, Valentine's Day, important, celebrate, dinner date, me time. Some little deco here. And then you have your headers, and it looks like your date covers as well. And right here you have like a half box that says, I have a feeling you'll be a good month. And then you have some like vacation strips by the looks of it right here. Some more date outs, some more headers, your sidebar, your date covers, some small icons, appointment labels, some flags, paydays, and bill due. So let's get started. And this is my first time using one of her monthly kits, so I am not sure on how this is gonna go, but I am gonna start right up here, and I'm just gonna line my edge up with that corner and put it down. I probably could have used some white out right there and whited that out. And then this is the other side. I originally, for some reason, was thinking this was an Erin Condren set. So, I was actually going to do a video on how to repurpose those planners that we purchased that we probably never got around to using. A lot of us, well, I know a few, have purchased some of like the recollection planners for review. So they're kind of sitting around our offices with, you know, not being used. So, and again, I probably could have used some white out across the top there. So, and I think I'm going to try to use this date out cover right here. See how this works. So far, her measurements in this kit are perfect size. So, and you know, this is if you're on a budget and you're short, and you know, because you know, decorating our planners can get quite expensive. This is a wonderful option. You know, and I'm actually thinking about making a couple of my kits printable kits for the mini. So, alright, so I covered out those dates, and I think I saw another one on here. Let me just see. This one here. I think goes right down here. Or this one could have actually been used up at the top as well. So, I've been kind of like using lately my mini happy planner for all my planning, and so I really haven't been using an Erin Condren. I didn't even bother to buy one this year. I just went ahead and bought a classic happy planner because it was just more reasonable for me. Alright, so I'm going to pop in some bill dues. So I have a bill due on the 11th. And another one due on the 19th. Actually, I have two due on the 19th. And that's also President's Day. So, probably put, if I have room, I'll put an appointment label in because I think that's the week that my daughters are off from school. So, what one do I want? I want the light pink. And the paper, the sticker paper I'm using is just a really inexpensive one. And I'm not going to put an appointment label in because then it would cover out the date. So I'll just handwrite that in. I might just use a small icon. Let's see. I have another bill due on the 13th. So, and there is one more due, I think. Alright, so I'm not sure on my last bill. Alright, so I'm going to pull up my daughter's school schedule because I know I have a meeting on the 6th. So I do need this appointment label. I have a PTO meeting on the 6th. What icons do we have that I could mark that? And that's the only thing I noticed, like there's not a lot of icons, which that's okay because I'm not too worried about it. I'm just going to use this little alarm clock. So, and on the 1st, I actually have an eye doctor's appointment for myself. So I'm going to put that right there. And it is a doctor's appointment, so I will use this little icon, the medical bag, right there. Valentine's Day. Probably going to white this out because I have a cute sticker that I can put right there. Right here. And I just love her script that she used. And we'll put this right here. Okay, that's a little bit big, but that's alright. And I left my room in case I have any appointments. You know what I didn't do though? I didn't leave myself some room for my date cover. Uh-oh. See if I can get this up without ruining it. Alright, it peeled up some of the white out. So, alright, I'm not going to worry about covering that back up. But what I am going to do is I am going to take the 14th. If I can get it off of here. So like I was saying, actually, the sticker paper that I am using is just one that I picked up to test cut with. I think it was inexpensive. It was on Amazon. If you want, I'll put the link for it down below. The brand, I think, is Orange. Digi Orange from Amazon. It's good. And, you know, it's inexpensive. So, you know, it works in a pinch. Now, I'm just a little worried about the sidebar over here because I do not think it's going to fully cover. So I'm trying to think if I'm going to have, if I should start from the bottom and work my way up. because it looks like it's going to end right about here. Unless I put, well, I can put headers in over it, maybe. So, alright, let's finish up any more appointments that I have going on. I know there's no school and PTO meeting, and I think that's pretty much it for right now for my plans. So, yeah, let's start with the sidebar. And I am going to work from the lightest color up, and I am actually just going to line it up with that last line there. Now it looks like you put the header right across. So let's see if that's how that goes. Yep, that's how that goes. So I will have to think of something to do up at the top. Because there's no like trackers or anything that I can add. So, and you know, each one of these books, they're, you know, they're set up different. Each one of these happy planners are set up a little bit different, not, you know, the same patterns I've noticed. So, alright, so see, we are going to have quite a bit of room up here. So I'm trying to see what I can possibly do, because that is not going to look good. If I put that there, can I put maybe, let's see, use one of these. I can use a couple of these appointment labels just to mark maybe any add-ins that I have going on for the month. Because I don't like all this white space, but I can cover that up with maybe some deco. So, let's see. Alright, that works. And then I'll just take some of this deco over here and decorate it. And maybe one of these hearts right here. And there we go. That looks pretty cute. I like that. Alright, so I'm trying to think what other events I have going on for February. I have no birthdays in the month of February. Oh, I have an appointment on the 7th. I'm actually going to put that right up here because that is in the morning. And I'm going to use this heart. And I probably might have wanted to move that appointment label down because once again, I didn't leave room for my header, my date cover. So let me see if I can get this up. The only thing I will say about this sticker paper, it is not movable friendly. So if you don't have any undo, just note that you might want to be very careful. Also, I've noticed also with this paper, cutting small designs out on it. It doesn't like to release off the back, so just make note of that. All right, so there's that. I can't think of anything else that's going on, because, yeah, no. I know I have a couple of meetings coming up, but I'm not sure when they are, and I know I have a lot of paperwork to send out to vendors for a craft fair that we are hosting at my daughter's school. So, alright. Over here on my sidebar, I'm going to put some headers. Family. I'm going to put that right up here at the top. I know I also need to start working on my daughter's 8th grade graduation party theme. She is graduating 8th grade this June. And I'm going to put some goals because we are working on some goals. So that's that. And all I'm going to do is, I'm not going to do it on film, but I am going to go in, put my date covers on, and fill it out. And so, my take on this little kit, this is a perfect little kit. So far, this is, I can put some paydays in, sorry. It's inexpensive, and you get a lot for stickers, you know. So, I mean, it's worth it. I think it was like $3. I'll have to double check. But I will put the link to her shop below. You know, I would really like to see this kit. Maybe I might print it for my business planner out on glossy, just to see, you know, if the glossy does it any justice. But I like it on the mat. It looks really nice. So, you know, if you're planning on a budget, printable kit from Design Sticker Store is, I would say, the way to go. So, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'm sorry that I am a little all over the place, but there you guys go. And look at all what I have left over. I have some important things I can put in here if I wanted to, some me time. I have the blackout dates here for like if we were on vacation or traveling. I have some headers left over, some icons. I'm going to add my date covers on. Some more little deco over here that I can add throughout. Appointment labels, flags, bill dues. She gives you enough of bill dues. I mean, that is impressive. I like those. So, again, I hope you guys enjoyed. And I will see you guys all soon. Bye.